Since the beginning of March, in Gansu City, Jinxi Province, Hawker Avenue and other sections in the central urban area, leaves have fallen one after another, forming a rain of yellow leaves in the sky. And the ground is covered with golden bricks. The appearance of this phenomenon is closely related to the climatic conditions of Gansu and the growth habit of tree species. It is a normal phenomenon of tree metabolism. However, while the fallen leaves increase the beauty, they also worry the sanitation workers. In fact, the form of artificial collection of fallen leaves compared with this leaf collection truck, it is still more laborious. The vehicle has two collection modes: bottom suction cup and handheld straw.